Very good morning students once again. So in last video we discussed the objectives of accounting, but now we are going to discuss the functions of accounting. What are the functions and why we need to, and if we preparing our accounting, so what the work done by our accounting and where it is successful in our business, and what the things we can do after preparing our accounting. Okay, and what functions we should perform when we preparing our accounting. So there are different 5 functions which are going to discuss in this video. So now the first functions of accounting is maintaining systematic accounting records. First function of accounting is whatever the transactions are there, whatever the events are there in a business, those events and transactions we have need to record in a systematic manner. If we will not in a systematic manner all these transactions, so they will generate a problem or they will create a mistake when we preparing our final accounts. So if we follow the systematic manner, then accounting help us, or accounting do their functions to find the exact or correct profit or loss, find out the correct expenses, find out the correct incomes and the financial positions. All these things we can calculate correctly after when we doing our work, when we doing our accounting in a systematic manner. So then it is possible only. So we should maintain our accounting in a systematic manner, and we should follow the accounting rules principles and concepts. After that we are able to prepare our accounting in a systematic manner. All these things we have to follow: rules, principles and concept. Okay, in next chapters we will discuss the rules, principles and concept of the accounting. So there are, if we have to do anything, there are some rules related to that particular thing. Similarly, accounting is also having some rules, principles and concept. According to that we can prepare accounting systematically, okay, by which we can remove our mistakes in our business transactions. Okay, so now second is preparations of financial statement. If we record our financial transactions systematically, or financial events systematically, then we are able to prepare a financial statement. Financial statement we prepare trading and profit and loss account and balance sheet. Okay, these are the things which are prepared in financial statement. Okay, accounting is having functions by the transaction which we have recorded in a systematic manner. After that, we are able to prepare our account, trading account, profit and loss account, and balance sheet our business. And from those trading profit loss and balance sheet, we can calculate the financial performance and financial positions of the business. That will help us to calculate the correct profit and correct loss of the business and the business activity, what should we do and what on which thing we have to be focused more in our business. So these are the things which we have to be prepare in our business. So preparation of financial statement, it helps to prepare in a financial statements. Next one is third, accounting function for meeting legal requirements. Whenever we do any work by a systematic manner, so then we are able to confirm what the legal activity, what the legal things we have required in our business. So similarly, if you following the systematic manner to record our business transactions or the events, so then it helps to meeting our legal requirements. Accounting follow these things. For example, Companies Act, according to which act we have to register our business. So registration of business is compulsory, and we can do it when we and then we are able to prepare accounting, and accounting perform to help us a businessman, so they have to register their business and what the incomes they have. So according to income tax act or rule, they have to follow, and the GST act, etc. Different type of acts are there which are followed by a business, and it is possible when we prepare accounting. जब हम अपने अकाउंट्स प्रिपेयर करेंगे तो तब हमें रिक्वायर्ड होगी कि हमें किन किन लीगल एक्ट्स की रिक्वायरमेंट होती है. ओके, इफ़ यू रन आवर बिजनेस विदाउट रजिस्ट्रेशन, देन any legal formality, any legal officers, they can come, or the registrar can come in our business, and then they can stop our business activity. So when we preparing our accounting, so then we have need to what the legal activities we have to perform. So accounting help us what the legal activities we have need to perform in a business. Next one is communicating the financial information. After preparing the accounting, so there are different financial informations a business is having. So those financial informations is communicating by the management and to the banks. Why it is so? Why it is to the bank? Because if we have need the financial support from the bank, then we have to give the informations or financial informations to the bank. Similarly to the investors, to the suppliers, to the government, to different government authorities. So there are different users are there. With them we have to communicate our financial information or financial position or financial performance, by which we can take a correct decisions related to these informations. Okay, so accounting help to communicating the financial information. If we did not prepare any accounts in our business, so can we ask or can we borrowed any amount from the bank or borrowed from the investors? It is not possible. Only after preparing our accounting, then we are able to ask or ask the amount or borrowed the amount from the outsiders. Okay, so next one, and it is last, assistance to management. It helps to management to take correct decision correct decisions, and different business activity has to be control the business activities. Okay, it helps to the management to take the correct decisions and what the activities has to control in our business. So these things help to the management also. So there are different 5 functions: maintaining systematic accounting records, first one. Second one is preparations of the financial statements and meeting legal requirements and communicating the financial information to the different users. Assistant to the management, they can take the correct decisions. Okay, thank you student, thank you for today, thank you.